Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi District and the District Election Officer of Ribhoi District, Arpit Upadhyay, has informed that security was deployed in Block 2 as to ensure for the fair and free elections in this upcoming elections stated to be held on February 27th. While briefing to the media persons at his office chamber today, the Deputy Commissioner and the District Election Officer of Ribhoi, Arpit Upadhyay, said that the district administration has taken serious action following the report received that an MLA from West Karbi Anglong has said that voters from Block 2 will not be allowed to cast their vote in this upcoming election in Meghalaya. To avoid any fear among the voters in Block 2, security forces including the police and CRPF were deployed in Block 2 and foot patrolling were conducted on regular basis so as to ensure no hindrance or interruption will take place for the smooth and fair elections in Block 2 in Meghalaya.
And as far as security is concerned, there is no issue and there is no atmosphere of fear, fear or something like that. By the senior officials at the highest level have assured that there will be no hindrance, there will be completely smooth conduct of elections and people will come and exercise their votes and all. And I would also like to say that anyone who is found spreading any kind of fake news or rumors or creating an atmosphere of unnecessarily to creating an atmosphere of fear that can impact the conduct of free and fair elections or a smooth election, then action will be taken against that person accordingly.